Hello everyone, welcome to Oracle VirtualBox installation. This video will guide you through the step-by-step procedure on how to install VirtualBox on a Windows machine so that you can use your machine as a 2OS machine. You already have a Windows OS, you can install some other like RHEL, Linux, Solaris or Unix, some other flavors on a VirtualBox and play with it. So we are starting with the installation. Click on VirtualBox setup. I mean the double click, the GUI will open. Now click on next. Now here the GUI will ask you to select the path where you have to install VirtualBox. The default location, as you all know, that's C, program files, Oracle VirtualBox, it will get installed. But if you want a different path other than that, then you can click on browse and select the path of your choice. I'm going with the default location. So I'm clicking cancel and going with the default path. Click on next. Then according to your choices, you can make a quick launch icon, a shortcut or a desktop icon. I'm going with all the three. Then click on yes, install. Oh, I'm sorry for the blackout, maybe some technical problem in the setup. So the installation will take around 1 or 2 minutes to get over. Have some patience, it will get completed within few minutes. So here we go, we have finished with the installation. Now once you have installed it, you can, as I said, you can use it as a second OS without shutting down your Windows part. Thanks for watching.